This is All India Radio Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Sanjib Banerjee. As India created history by administering more than 100 crore doses of vaccine against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the doctors, nurses, other frontline workers and all those who got vaccinated and made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask. Maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing. Focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline number 011-239-78046 and 1075. And the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. 2 regional committees from both Meghalaya and Assam yesterday carried out a joint visit to villages along the interstate border as part of the initiative of the 2 neighbouring states to find amicable solution to the long-pending boundary dispute. The regional committee is headed by Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, while the regional committee from Assam was headed by Minister Piyush Hazarika. Officials of the 2 committees visited the areas which include Howla, Jimbrigaon, Bakrapara, Lingkung and Patgaon. Tinsong said that the 2 regional committees, after getting the views of the residents in these areas, will compile a report and submit the same to the 2 chief ministers of Meghalaya and Assam by the 30th of this month. The centre has released 2 installments of tax devolution to state governments amounting to 95,082 crore rupees as against normal monthly devolution of 47,541 crore rupees. The released amount of tax devolution will strengthen fiscal space of states. Out of the total amount, the highest amount of nearly 17,056 crore rupees has been released to Uttar Pradesh, followed by around 9,563 crore rupees to Bihar, 7,463 crore rupees to Madhya Pradesh, while West Bengal has received around 7,152 crore rupees. On 15th of this month, the Union Minister had held a virtual meeting with Chief Ministers, State Finance Ministers and Lieutenant Governors of Union Territories to step up investment, infrastructure and growth. Justice Sanjib Banerjee will be sworn in as new Chief Justice of the Meghalaya High Court today. Meghalaya Governor Satyapal Malik will administer the oath to the new Chief Justice at the Raj Bhavan at 9:30 a.m. Justice Banerjee was the Chief Justice of the Madras High Court and the Supreme Court Collegium had recommended his transfer to Meghalaya on the 9th of this month. In Manipur, Go to Village 2 was held at Jiri College campus of Jiribam district yesterday. Around 50 stalls of 26 different government departments and banks were opened for the convenience of the public. During his visit to the district, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh inaugurated the Nongshaba-Thong Western Gate of Manipur, besides dedicating a Bailey suspension bridge to the public through video conference. The bridge was constructed over Barak River at Tipaimuk to connect Taithu and Pipe Hunmuan at 706 lakh rupees. In his speech, Singh expressed his resentment over not completing the construction of Jiri College Road despite issuing of work order worth 50 lakh rupees long time back. He cautioned all that they would face the music if works are not completed within 20 days. He also expressed his anger for not issuing the work order to construct the Jiri-Tipaimuk Road worth 114 crore rupees. In Meghalaya, the 122nd Foundation Day of the Seng Khasi or Snem was celebrated at Weiking ground Jaïaw in Shillong yesterday. Snem was celebrated to reminisce the reawakening of the indigenous Khasi faith on November 23, 1899 pioneered by 16 Khasi men with an aim to preserve and protect the Khasi beliefs. Dressed in traditional regalia, thousands of people thronged the venue to join in the prayer and cultural programs organized on the occasion. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.